Welcome to Ringside Collectibles Figure Insider. Stand back. There's a hurricane coming through. It's apparently about 60-mile-per-hour winds, and it's getting pretty serious. But don't worry, because Hurricane Helms is here, and he's going to protect you from the rain. That's not even really falling. The Hurricane comes heroically packaged in a buff pose with his picture on the front of the carding. He has a head scan including a molded mask and cool long hair. His tights have the Hurricane symbol on his chest and are green and black with that same sweet symbol on the sides. His boots are black, silver, and green, and he's ready to take off. Don't forget his launch pad, display stand either. There he goes, flying off into the sunset, hopefully to return again someday.